Hi guys, this video is meant for any people who wishes to create maps as Starcraft 2. So we have a guy here who created a fix, which is a great genius who took the time to set every unit right, who could fix the dependency when you want to mix the multi units with the campaign units. For anybody who's experienced into map making in Starcraft 2, dependencies are a bit complicated. If you want to create with the regular units, you have to use a multi dependency. As creating a campaign dependency will give you the campaign units, but all the data will all be screwed and you won't have any standard use for the file. So what I mean by that is you won't have any units that's in the regular multiplayer, and some units will have conflicts, not the right abilities and everything. So we're here with our friend Alfx who created this exact mode that will give you everything that you need. So this is only a file for getting started. So here are the steps. First, be to the right region and select the exact name of the file here. So I'm in English US. I'm going to copy this link. You go on open. You log in. Then you copy your link which you copied from the website. You copy here. And then you find it. Make sure you have all the mod files there and a map mode name. This will give you the better research and find it right away. So you find it, you download it, then you open it. So now we're going to save this as an example, because this is the file that we're going to use for this YouTube video, but otherwise I've already got my own file. So this is the Alfx example for, that's it, fx example for you guys on YouTube. So we're going to save this there. So now we got our file made, but this is not the final file that we need. We're going to close this for now, and I'll show you later what we use this for. So this is now the file, the final file that we'll need. So now we click on New, we click on Extension Mode, and then Custom Modify. And this is where it plays out. You click on Add Another, well, I guess click on Add Other. Then Blizzard, and you find it again. So it's on the internet. You have to make sure you have the Blizzard folder opened. You're on the internet, click OK. So now we got our file here. As you can see, the local file is unspecified. This is what we'll do. Double click on it, take the local file to the Alfx example we saved earlier. Click OK. So as you can see, the local file has been modified here. Add the standard. Make sure to add the void multi here. Click OK. Then OK. Conflicts is something that's bound to happen. Click yes. OK. As much as I say the conflict, the files are already all set to be not in conflict. So maybe the map maker, the map editor will not notice, but this file is already set up to be perfectly fit for any use, which will have a lot of fun to use. So now that we are done with our file, you may save it as any file name you like. In my case, I named it it was another folder. I named it a checkpoint. But this is the file which you'll name whatever you like. You make sure you keep a copy of this file here, because every time you will use your file, it will take this mode here to open. It will count on this file to open, and you will absolutely need to update your file here every time there's a new version of the file. Otherwise, you won't be able to test your maps. So then now you have your file saved. Something else you can do, you may create a test map, because when you want to test your file here, you will have to use this, and for using this you will have the use of a map that's set alright for this. Since this is an offline test, which we call this because it is not on Starcraft 2, the dependencies are conflicted. And for this reason, we have to create a file the same way we created this one. So since we already have our Alfx example, we would only go to New, create a training map. Next, you go to Custom, uncheck this is useless. Then you use the same steps. Go to click Add Other. Then you choose your Blizzard file. You add the local file, which is your current one, Alfx example. Then you add a multi, and you have your test map. Once your test map is created, you may put the minerals and Vespine gas or whatever you want. Then, in preferences, you just go there and take your map as your functional map testing for any file you wish to use on this file. It may also work for any other modes, however I suggest it for this mode here. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching, guys.